Lastly, I can actually look at the individual responses. So by choosing this option, I can actually dive down deeper and say, okay, well, what did participant 1 say overall? He or she said yes, okay, and then this date. So depending on what you're after, you can drill down a little bit deeper. You'll also want to know that within the Responses tab, this is where you toggle responses on or off. So if I turn this off, I can safely edit things and know that no one is going to be able to respond at that time. But be careful, because anyone who has the existing link is not going to be able to access or submit those responses. So you can toggle that here. The last thing I want to show within the Responses menu has to do with this little Google Sheets icon. So this allows you to view your responses in Google Sheets. So up here, this is exactly what it looks like. We still have all the same responses that we saw on the previous screen. It includes a little timestamp showing us when that person submitted that survey. But the great thing here is that you can take this information and manipulate it in so many other different ways, creating graphs, creating charts, or maybe you just prefer a spreadsheet view.